Hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
I really like brackets.
So do I.
Good. I hope you do. First up, before we can get to that, before the epic in brackets, we got OpenAI makes major updates to ChatGPT, and it is not clickbait at all. Like, the stuff they've been releasing in the past few days is actually really cool, so can't wait to show it to you. One of the major ones, I've been using this a lot, is they're now including DALL-E 3 in ChatGPT. Now, a lot of these updates, though, you have to be on GPT, or what's it called? ChatGPT Plus. But it is actually really useful. Like, before, I was kind of saying, well, maybe wait, until more things are out. Well, now maybe the $20 a month is really becoming, like fair price, right? Because now you're getting DALL-E 3, you're getting the plugins, you're getting advanced data analysis, and also browse with Bing, and GPT-4. It's like a bunch of great things all in one. So let me pull it up so you guys can get a good view at it. You should be able to see it now. Right? Yeah, there you go. So it's really cool. Also, you can now, and maybe Sam or Steven, if you pull up the regular ChatGPT, just to see, make sure that I'm not talking about things in the regular version. But this, so you're looking at the plus right now. You can tell because it says ChatGPT Plus. So something that's really cool is now you can send images in to ChatGPT. So I can click the attach image button. You're not actually going to see what I'm doing. But if I add in, the scratch cat. So now I got the scratch cat right there. And I can say, whose logo is this? And we're going to see if it knows it. Is it Sam? Well, sure, Sam. Okay, let's see. That's the logo of Scratch, a visual programming language developed by MIT Media Lab. Yeah, so that's how it works. See, that's like really cool because you can just attach the image and send it, and you can do a million different things with it. So it's really cool. I really like that feature. But on top of that, you can send images, but you can also get images. So all I need to do is if I open up a new chat, as you can see, I can just hover over GPT-4 and go to DALL-E 3. And now I can say, what do I want to do? Sam or Steven, give me an image to make.
Turtle eating an apple.
Okay. All right, that was quick. Turtle eating an apple. All right, let's see. Do you think it's going to do it well?
No.
No?
I think it's gonna draw Sam.
Yeah, that's funny. Sam, do you like apples?
Yeah, okay.
All right. Let's see. So turtle eating an apple. What it's doing now is it's just creating images. Normally what it does is it creates like 4 different descriptions. It's not popping up on the screen now, but that's not normally what it does. And then it sends them all off to ChatGPT. So here you go. So here are your 4 different images. We have kind of a few like realistic ones and then a clip art too. And all these look really cool. It's not too far more advanced than DALL-E 2, but now it's unlimited, so you get all the credits worth, infinite credits, and it's right here in ChatGPT. So that's I know, that's what I really like. And I want to test something. I haven't tested this. It might go wrong, but let's say create 10 more images. I don't know if it's going to do it. Let's see. We're testing it live here on TSARP. Okay, it might have, but it can only generate up to 4. Well, 4 images at a time. Can I say only 1? Let's see. We'll do it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Well, there you go. That is DALL-E 3 and all the new updates. They're really cool. And, maybe you should get it. I'm not saying if you should or shouldn't. I'm just saying I have it because I think it's pretty useful. What do you guys think, Sam and Steven? You think it's worth it now?
I think it's getting there. I might wait for the next OpenAI update to consider purchasing it.
Yeah, I would say that too. Also, it's a lot faster now. I don't know if this is, again, just for ChatGPT Plus users or for everyone, but like GPT-3 is almost instant now. Let me pull up just a normal ChatGPT 3.5 actually, and let me show you. So, What do I want to do? A simple question, to really show it off. I wonder if it's gonna know this. I'm gonna do what's Kidoyo. Let's see if it knows. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Instantly, boom! Like within what was that? A second? I got a whole paragraph. So yeah,
That's
so
crazy.
so yeah, it's really fast. Oh wait, we pop up. Wait, look at this. Look at this. Kidoyo is an educational platform that skip that. It was also mentioned in your oh, no, this was just cuz it's in my custom descriptions. I got really excited. You can that actually brings me on to the other feature. You can now open up your settings menu. And can I oh, wait, why isn't it here? How do you get this? I forget.
I still think it's cool where you mentioned.
Yeah. Yeah, I forget. Anyway, you can go into. Can I find it? No. Well, there's a clear button. Yeah, I don't know how I get it, but I cleared it. So let's see. Will it actually come up with TSARP this time, or is it not going to include us? Sadly. Okay, let's see. What's Kidoyo? Oh. It doesn't. Oh no, it knows a decent amount, but it just doesn't include us. Well, yeah, I'm not angry, but it was funny. I got excited. I thought it said it was about us. What isn't about us? A lot. All right, here we go. So that was the headliner for today. We do still have in brackets to talk about and a bunch of other topics, so stay tuned. What do we want to do next? Also, we have a whole list of games to play at the end of today. Maybe I'll probably end up having to cut it down to 2. But yeah, so there you go. All right. What do I want to do? Oh yeah. Oh, this is scary. Scary. Really scary.
No.
So actually, this isn't the scary part, but it will lead me into the scary part. October 16th is TSARP's 1-year anniversary. If we live,
It's also National Cat Day.
it's also Global Cat Day. But if we live, yeah, tomorrow's Friday the 13th, everyone, and I'm kind of scared. Also, because it's Friday the 13th in October, which makes it even scarier, I think this might be the end. Hopefully not, though, because I really want to make it to TSARP's 1-year anniversary. But yeah, I mean, I hope we have good luck tomorrow, especially because we're starting off our TSARP celebrations tomorrow with a pizza party. I don't want that to get ruined because of Friday the 13th. So, hopefully, you all have good days. And that you don't die. There you go.
Exactly.
Exactly. All right. How about we do one more before our history for the day? What should we do? Oh, this is another one. Another. Not even tech. These past 2 topics aren't tech or coding related. But there's a solar eclipse happening. That's exciting. I love solar eclipses, and actually it is very TSARP related because TSARP's theme is space. But yeah, there's a solar eclipse happening, only visible in the U.S. And there's actually, I believe, 2 happening today. Today, that would be crazy.
This year.
No, this year. Yeah, there's one in April, and there's one happening in 2 days. So let's take a look. Can I find... I had a photo to go along with it. I forget. Did you send that to me, Steven? One of you sent that to me.
I think I
So,
sent it.
Steven.
Oh, here we go.
By the way-
Open link.
By the way, we did mean school year
Yeah.
because April already passed.
Yes.
Yeah, school year. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you, Steven, for that correction. So we're not gonna see it really too much, but hopefully a decent amount. So October 14th, 2 days before the TSARP anniversary, this is where the zone, as you see with my cursor, I feel like I'm a meteorologist here. This is where it will be fully dark. So fly there in the next 2 days if you want to be completely blacked out during the day, or I think it's really a small amount of period. But if here in New York, you're getting a decent amount. I would have to say probably 22%, depending on where you are in New York. The bottom left tip of New York is gonna get almost 30. But here on Long Island, where we are, I don't know. That's 22%. So it will be 22% darker here on Long Island. But depending on where you live, you might live in this zone, which would be kind of sick if you did. But it's not even if you live down here, you're going to get like 90. So you got to be perfectly in that zone. But that's exciting. I mean, really. October's gonna be a busy month. It's already been a busy month. I mean, we got this eclipse. We have TSARP Day. We have Halloween. We have Minecon. Is that no? Is it just Minecraft Live? Yeah,
I think
that's
so.
what it's
Minecraft
called.
Lives in 3 days.
Yeah, in 3 days. It's sandwiched between the eclipse and TSARP's birthday. Yeah, Global Cat Day. I mean, like, we got so much going on. That's why you gotta click that notification bell and subscribe and like and share with a friend. And you might be thinking, whoa, I did that in the wrong place. It's normally right before the history fact for the day. Well, you're wrong, because we're moving on to the history fact. All right.
Whoa.
I know, great segue, guys. All right, so let's see. Oh, yeah. So this one's from a while ago. Sometimes they're recent, sometimes they're not. Why can't I find it? Oh, here we go. So 35 years ago today, Steve Jobs unveiled the NEXT computer, Next, at Symphony Hall in San Francisco. The reason I said it like that is because the XT was the uppercase, not because I just don't know how to spell next. But yeah, so as you know, Steve Jobs, partial creator of Apple, was it 3 or 2? I really should know this. Founders of Apple, I believe it was 2. Or was it like 3 and 1 left? Yes, there was 3.
I think so.
There was 3, and I don't know what happened to them. You really only hear of Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Ronald Wayne. I don't know what happened to him. I've never heard of him, but I did know there was 3. All right. So the Next computer, as shown on screen here, was a pretty bulky computer. I mean, back then, computers were really large.
They took up whole rooms.
I know,
Yeah.
yeah, luckily this was after that. I mean, that, yeah, really, at one point, computer was, the whole room in, the 1960s. This was in 1988, though. And, yeah, I mean, here are the specs down here if you want to look at them. Doesn't compare anything to today's computers. 25 megahertz. Mine has, 3.8 gigahertz, which isn't even the best nowadays. But that was 25 megahertz. Yeah, I mean, look at this monitor too. It was where's the oh, I can't really get the specs on that, but just look at it. Just look at it. It was huge. Definitely you needed a whole desk for this thing. That mouse looks weird too. Are you guys seeing this? It looks like it's like a cube or a rectangle, not a cube.
That.
I know, it does not look good for your hands.
I wonder what the ergonomics thoughts were behind the people who made that mouse.
Absolutely nothing. I don't even know if people knew that back then. Yeah, I bet they didn't even consider it. Nowadays, though, it's a big thing. You know, people sitting at desks all day don't want their hands to cramp. So they, you gotta have that.
Sam, who codes with blocks.
Yeah, the blocks, Sam. That scratch code. You gotta be coding with the text. The Python. The snake. I'm actually deathly afraid of snakes. No, not deathly afraid. That would be funny. No, I don't like snakes.
Scratch Jr.
I don't like. That's funny. I don't like snakes, but I do love Python, the programming language. Yeah, I don't know. People that like snakes are really brave. I don't know how they do it. But yeah, so that is the Next computer, NEXT. I don't know. How do you even say? What's the right way? Yeah, I don't know.
NEXT.
NEXT, that's what I would say. But
What if it's next?
well then, I don't know. Pronounce it as you will. Like SQL and SQL, people always go back and forth. GUI and GUI is a big one too. I'm trying to think. What are some other big debates? If you want my controversial... Oh, I was going with tech, but yeah, there you go. My
Go on.
Good. Wait, no, I'll get it. Don't worry.
You have time.
Controversial opinion. There you go. I'm saying I think I do. SQL or SQL? I don't know even anymore. I don't really use it. So at one point I had opinion and now I kind of forget. I don't know. Do whatever you want. GUI and GUI. I don't like GUI. I say GUI. I think Mr. Ferrara has an opinion. I forget what his is. I'll update you
It is
tomorrow.
I think he
GUI.
likes
Is it GUI? That's what I
Yeah.
thought. I thought we disagreed on that. Yeah. No, I'm a GUI person. GUI sounds like GUI.
What about
But
GIF and GIF?
oh, GIF,
Oh my
100%.
gosh, Sam.
This is a big debate. We should have an episode just on controversial tech opinions. Oh God, canceled.
The
Seconds.
bonus episode.
We said we would do those one day with like what are they called, bloopers and stuff like that. But we don't even have that many bad bloopers anymore now that they're live. We used to have like really bad bloopers that were like I would completely mess up words and be there for like a minute like I just did, but like I couldn't think of them. It was really funny. So I don't have those clips anymore, but if we did, I would turn them into a blooper reel. But yeah, maybe in the future we'll release some stuff. All right, so that was our history fact of the day. We're on to our topic speed run. Let's see. So I already said this, but Minecraft Live is in 3 days, which is exciting. Excited to see what they release and stuff like that. Of course, the mob vote is still going on, though people are boycotting it. I really don't know what's going to happen. I am kind of I haven't voted yet. And I don't know if I'm gonna, I like the opinion of the boycotters, but also if they're not gonna go with it, at least have the one you want. Like if they're not gonna listen to them, at least get the one that you wanted the most. So I don't know what I'm doing yet. But that's in 3 days. We also have there's always gonna be issues with things, and one of them is today. It's the day after Roblox released Roblox to the PlayStation. There's already a bunch of issues, kind of like the iPhone 15 was. And, by the way, Mr. Ferrara's phone has not exploded, and I don't think it ever will.
Yippee.
Yippee, yeah. Well, it was going to be great content, and now, there it goes. Sorry.
Mr. Frost's phone explodes.
Yeah,
It's
yay!
shocking. At 3 a.m.
Yeah. Tomorrow's the day for it. I
Oh,
just
God.
realized,
Oh,
Mr.
no.
Ferrari, you
We gotta
watch
stay
out.
away from him.
If your phone doesn't explode, I'll make. No, wait, no, that's cut that. Yeah, no, I'm not
Guys.
making anyone's phone explode.
I have
That
an
you
opinion to
say.
What, Steven?
I think 2023 was not the year for technology advances.
It's not a bad opinion. It's a controversial one. All
Well,
our opinions are great.
Maybe AI advances are excluded.
Oh yeah, completely.
Like this year's iPhone, apparently people's phones were exploding the first day, and
Yeah.
then now Roblox on the PS4.
Mhm.
Yeah, if you definitely AI was crazy this year, but if you exclude that, yeah, it was kind of weak, not gonna lie. I mean, people are gonna talk about but the Apple Vision Pro, it's just a more expensive Oculus, or MetaQuest, whatever they call it
And
now.
people can see my eyeballs, which I don't like.
Yeah. So yeah, wasn't a great year, I gotta admit, except for AI. AI was fantastic, so yeah. All right. As you can tell by our topics every day. Okay, what's our next speed run? Oh yeah, Threads, if anyone still cares, is rolling out an edit button, and you do not have to pay for it. The you do not have to pay for it is a big part of that. Twitter, or X, as it's called, still, you can edit posts, but you gotta pay for it. It's not Twitter Blue anymore. It's X Premium. And let's see, can I pull it up? Yeah, so it's gonna be $84 a year, or
Wow.
for a more expensive price annually, you're saving 12% on that. It's gonna be $8 a month, which is pretty expensive.
Yeah.
If it wasn't that expensive, oh yeah, I would have gotten it already. Not even for the check mark. I think that, of course, even though if people hate the idea of anyone being able to have it now, and that it's not exclusive, and you have to pay for it, that's one thing. But you're still gonna take, you would still want it. You're just not gonna pay for it, So checkmark's cool, kind of tacky. People might get angry, but it is cool. But what is really important, and this is kind of why I would get it, is longer posts. That's a big thing. Whenever we post on Twitter, like, I have to like cut it down because, and it's not anything crazy. It's just our TSARP posts, and sometimes they go over the limit. Second is editing. That's like really big. You know, like there's a lot of times I have to delete the post and re-upload it, you know, because I messed something up. And also being able to upload longer videos and having 1080p. Like, why don't we upload these videos onto Twitter? We should do that,
Oh,
but we
God.
can't.
That'd be a good idea.
Yeah, but we can't because of that. So a few things there that makes it kind of worth it. But now you can just switch over to Threads and get some of that functionality. And you don't have to pay for the edit button, which is awesome. It's available for everyone. I'm not saying go to Threads. I don't even have an account. I'm staying on X just because I don't like Kidoyo's on X and Mr. Ferrara's on X, and why would I, like, I don't want to, like, there's no point of switching really then. But yeah, I mean, maybe if more people start creating an account, maybe I'll do it. But it's kind of dying off, to be honest.
Mhm.
All right, final one. Did I say the last one was final? No. This one's final. Oh, yeah. So Best Buy is apparently stopping selling physical media like DVDs and Blu-rays in 2024. All right? I don't have a huge problem with this, right? Because it's more expensive, A. B, you have to leave your house or get it delivered. But if you're going to get it delivered online, just buy it. And then third, you know, wait, I just had I had a third one. This was the main one I was thinking of. Then too, right? You always have it. You can always play that movie unless it gets damaged, right? People, you know, Prime Video could go away, Disney Plus could go away, but your physical copy, they can't change, right? You can always play that on a DVD player. So that is cool, but like, still, I mean, you know, like, I mean, you just don't need them. They're kind of just worse.
Everyone's mad on Twitter.
I know, everyone's mad. But yeah, I mean, like, I like the idea of having them. I like the idea of having a backup. That's cool. I'm a big fan of records. Like, not the format of audio. No, not those records. Like, having, like,
Definitely those
backups and records of stuff. But, like, I mean, like, no one's buying them. The people that are getting angry aren't buying them, so why are you getting angry? But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't discontinue them. Maybe shorten the, like, maybe just not sell as many of them. Maybe just not make as much of them. But don't discontinue them, because people still buy them, and there's still a reason for them. So if there's still a reason, why are you getting rid of them? I don't know. That's my opinion. What are you guys' opinion?
If we got rid of all DVD, how am I gonna watch Megamind without paying for Netflix?
Yeah, that's another one, right? Because now you DVDs, that's another good reason. You don't need to pay for subscriptions. A lot of these things are subscriptions. A bunch of them aren't, but a lot of services now are subscriptions. And you have to pay them to get the movie, but if it's just out on DVD, there's no subscription. So that is another good one I didn't think of. So, yeah, I think
have another one suddenly.
Oh yeah, what is it?
So, hypothetically, what if... Never mind, I forgot. I don't know where the thought went.
Thank you,
I feel like it
Steven.
was a very good one, though, but I just
All
forgot
right.
it.
Was very good, guys. It's just kind of went out of his...
I like that opinion, Steven.
I really like it, too. Thank you, Steven. Yeah, I mean, with Steven's first thought, not the second one, yeah, I'm definitely on the team DVD. I see why they're thinking of removing it, but no, I'm on the team of DVD. What's your opinion, Sam?
I feel the same way. I feel like we don't really need them that much.
Yeah. I mean, or maybe it's not like they're discontinuing every DVD. It's not like you're not gonna get DVDs anymore. You can get them from anywhere. I think what people are scared of is Best Buy not doing it, and now everyone else isn't gonna do it. I don't think that's gonna happen. But like a few retailers can stop selling them, and it can still, be a thing, right? Even if like there's just one, even online or in-store retailer, you don't need everyone to have them, especially when they're not used. But getting rid of them entirely, I'm against of. So I'm 50-50. I'm kind of torn. All right.
Oh my gosh, Andrew, I just remembered it.
Okay. Oh my gosh. What is it?
Okay, so let's say hypothetically, I'd like to watch the Little House on the Prairie, right? How am
Yes.
I gonna
Okay.
do that if it's not online?
All right. Yeah, I mean that's a good one, right? This kind of goes with my first thought of like things can get discontinued and you'll never get them again. Now, of course, like you can go against the rules and pirate them, which is illegal, but the legal way is just buying the DVD. It's much simpler. So yeah, that is a good reason, Steven. Yeah,
Mhm.
I know. I'm really torn. Oh, by the way, the daily warnings. Don't cheat on tests with ChatGPT or essays. And the second one is don't pirate media.
And the
Yeah,
third
those.
one is that
We
all the
do not
classes come before
endorse either
coding.
of these.
Oh yeah, and all classes come before coding. Not approved by. No, wait, no. TSARP approved. No, wait.
We need
Approved.
stickers now.
It's approved.
By who?
Oh yeah, we do need stickers. We need
Okay.
like Exxon coding classes. And then we need the opposite, but don't tell my teachers that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know. They're 50-50. That's the TSARP approval. It's the whatever has a closer deadline. Do that first. And then if you that's the TSARP opinion. That's the TSARP approved opinion. All right, are we on to my new favorite topic of the day? I know it's always switching, guys. It's always switching. Oh, wait, before we get that, Sam and Steven were making fun of me because I didn't know this. Did you know you can click on, like, the chat in, like, live streams, and then click on, like, these emoji things, and then they go into the chat? I'm doing it now on the dashboard side, the streamer
Wow, I
side.
see it.
I didn't know people can do that. I thought, like, that was, like, just, like, I thought, A, you had to, like, type the emojis in the chat, or B, do, like, a super chat or something, oh, and C, I didn't know the streamer could do it, too. So that's cool. I'm doing it now. I don't think I'm ever gonna stop. So, yeah, do it. It's cool.
I'm spamming a lot of the embarrassed ones.
Yeah, like we just outed you, Sam. Now that's the emoji. Yeah, there's 100 for when you. How about everyone spams it when someone says they got 100 on their test in the chat? Or
I got
when we
100 on my test.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, and then there's like the celebration one, with the thingies, and then the heart, and then the regular faced, and then the embarrassed. So yeah, that's it. I didn't know that existed. All right, but yeah, it is. I like it. I'm really enjoying it. I think we should all spam the emojis. Oh, Sam. Oh, let's look at that. I got 100 on my test. Way to go.
Well,
Okay.
Way to go, Samuel.
Way to go, Sam. Let's all spam it. All right, it is time for the really exciting topic called We Play Mr. Ferrara's Really Bad Game, but say it's really good because it is actually kind of funny, but the game itself might be bad. That's the
I like
new
that-
name. Find
I
that
love
acronym.
that topic.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Okay. Let me pull it up. Yeah, so yesterday we did that. That was the first time we played one of Mr. Ferrara's games. Today is the second day. Oh, and in brackets. I'll get to that after this. We'll kind of go out of order here. But yeah, so Mr. Ferrara released a really cool game called F-Rex. It stands for Ferrara Rex instead of T-Rex. You get it? Really funny, I know. Ha,
I
Mr.
get it.
Ferrara.
I'm laughing.
I know, I'm laughing too. Okay, so you should all see my screen. It doesn't get a favorite and unique until after I play it. Yesterday's was Frappy Bird, as you probably all remember. Also, Mr. Ferrara commented that bug was not a feature. No, wait, no. That feature was not a bug. But I kind of disagree because he removed it. So if it was a feature, why would he remove it? But all right, on to today's game. It's got a fork history. I think he stole it from himself. T-Rex run turned into F-Rex run. But let's go. Let's play it. So this sprite was actually designed by Sam. stolen content. He's doing what I warned against, pirating media.
Oh wow.
But yeah, so the controls are space. Actually, he didn't just pirate Sam's sprite. He also kind of pirated Google here, because this is Google's original game, T-Rex Run. But the high score is kind of low, I gotta admit. It's only 679. You think I can beat it?
No.
Oh. Thanks for the encouragement, Sam. Oh, well, I didn't beat it. Well, I got close. I got to... Oh, I just hit my mic. Hopefully that didn't hurt your ears. But I got to 359. And the high score is 679. So I'm not that far away. That was my first attempt. So let's go, you know. It doesn't take a long time to get to 100. And then you just got to do that 6 more times. Actually, almost 7 more times. But here we go. I'm doing really well. Oh, that's annoying. Wait, can I even clear that?
What?
The 2 cacti.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, that was difficult too. Okay, this is gonna be a little harder than I originally said. But you know, I'm a pro gamer. Go back to the dark mode streams where I said that. Here we go. Oh, that was annoying. Yeah, the running joke is I'm a pro gamer. Take the evidence as you want it. There might be some mixed evidence out there. Oh, speaking of past live streams, which I kind of went off of, and then now I'm back to, our second hackathon stream is so close to 1,000 views, but it's not there yet, so you should all go watch it to get it to 1,000. I think it's on like 988. It's really close. So yeah, so we're almost to 1,000. First video with 1,000 views would be sick. We only need 12 more, I think. I haven't checked it recently. Maybe we're even closer. Maybe we're there. I don't think we're there, but we are definitely close.
We're very close.
All right, did you check it, Steven?
We need 12 more.
12 more, yeah, so that's what I said. Yeah, go check it. Someone put it in the chat, Sam or Steven. I'm not doing too well on these. Oh, no, that first cacti I missed. I am not stopping until I get the high score. That's kind of bad. I mean, it isn't Friday the 13th or anything yet, so, I mean, my luck is still here, my good TSARP luck. You think TSARP gives me luck? It might. It might. Who knows?
100%.
Thank you, Steven, for that encouragement. I think it's kind of ROG. I think that you can't clear those cacti. The ones...
I did.
The way they're close together, because they change distance.
Yeah,
Not
I did
the...
it. They were really separated, and I did it.
Really?
This
Oh,
is weird. It, like, switched automatically.
oh,
I
you
don't
see,
know.
there was 2 cacti in one right there. Okay, so let's see. Oh, no, see? Yeah, I, like, jumped right before hitting it, and it didn't go. Wow, I think Sam has that TSARP block. Oh, I did it! I did it! I think what happens is it depends on where you are in the animation. If your
Yeah, that's
foot's forward, then you're good. But if it's not, oh, I don't think that's possible. I'm calling cap.
This hitbox is not optimized.
No, definitely not optimized hitboxes here. This game's really disturbing, by the way. This sprite, Sam, the original art's from you, then Mr. Frog changed it a little. It's a little disturbing. Gotta admit.
I think my art is better.
Yeah, your original art is a little freakier, and if that is what you mean by better, then yes.
It is.
So, oh, what was I gonna say? Oh, yeah, so put this link in the chat so everyone can play along, too.
Okay.
Put the normal hatch link, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's good. Oh, this is difficult. I don't know if I can do it. Who set this high score? Can we check the cloud data history? Was it Mr. Ferrara? Mentor Ferrara. Today. All right. So it's obviously possible. It wasn't that or maybe he, who knows? Maybe he, oh, I was actually there when he did it. So I just realized I was there. He's probably, whenever he watches this, he's probably like, but you were there, and I just realized. But yeah, so I know he wasn't cheating because I saw him, unless he changed it afterwards. But all right, let's see. I gotta do it, guys. I can't lose on TSARP like I've never lost before. All right. And there's different cacti, too. There's some, like, all different, what are they called? All different shapes, so, yeah. Oh, look at that one. I think that was 2 together. All right, 400. I just hit 400. Can I get to 5? Oh, so close. 470. I was like 200 away. I don't know, guys. It gets hard near the end too, so that's why it's kind of
Andrew,
difficult.
you said this would be easy.
I didn't play it when I said that. I hadn't played it yet. I like the sound. This blop sound is really great. Oh, that was close. If my leg was the other way, I would have made it. See, that's why it's ROG.
Stupid leg.
Yeah,
We should
exactly.
just cut
Oh,
off our
see,
legs.
I hit no, not at all, not at all. Do not listen to Steve.
Yeah, wait, what happened to the other leg and arms?
That's a
That
real.
was you, Sam.
Yeah, Sam. That's some Friday
I
the
guess so.
13th stuff right there. This is Thursday the 12th in October, not Friday the 13th yet. You can't be doing that. All right, here we go. The leg is really wiggling. Oh, the leg.
The leg is really
The leg is really wiggling. This is, by the way, this is what Mr. Ferrara does all day. Just like to point that out. Just like to point that out.
grades projects
He
and does this.
he likes to yell at me that I'm not doing in brackets, and then here he is doing this. Yeah, just calling him out on that. I said I was. I warned him that I was gonna call him out, so I did it. All right, guys. This is a little. It's getting close. It's really getting close. I don't think I can. No, you gotta say you think you can, right? If you say you think you can't, you can't. But if you
I don't
say
think you can.
you think, hey,
I don't know if I can, guys.
have you done it?
Aw.
You haven't done yet, Steven? You haven't been. Oh, or obviously, because it hasn't changed.
Maybe I did beat it, Andrew.
Yeah, and maybe
Really?
we just didn't. Maybe it just didn't update.
I
it's
did
so-
it.
You no, you didn't. You did it. No, no. Incorrect. No. Anger. Oh, how? It's like almost. I gotta focus. I can't say anything. I gotta just. Well, if I don't say anything, everyone's gonna click off. I am gonna say things. Oh, that was good. I jumped right in between them. Oh, see, like those are what messed me up. Is there like a hack? Can I just up, down, left, right?
That is definitely not how I did it.
You didn't do it
The
that
way
way,
you
Sam.
said definitely.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, Sam. Though you can tell when Sam's lying, and that was a total Sam lie. Wait, up, down, left, right. I missed it. Yeah, that's not a thing. Also, Mr. Farrar knows better than to do that. And also, never choose up, down, left, right, because there's a bunch of other options, and no one feels like going back to check what the options are. Or at least I don't. So, yeah.
Up, down, right, left.
Yeah, there's a bunch of different options too. There's like up, down.
I just got 2 cactuses in a row and I couldn't jump over them.
Yeah, that's the annoying thing. That's what I got. No, that's what I keep getting over. Or getting over. No, I'm not getting over them. That's the problem. This is not the game getting over it at all. I'm almost there. I keep getting close. I'm about to hit 400. I need 300 more. Okay, almost 200. Oh my gosh.
Cactuses just spawn on top of each other.
Yeah, it's annoying.
I'm doing it. I did it. I
No, I
did
mean,
it.
like, direct
I
access.
did it.
No.
I did it, and I'm doing so well. I'm almost to 800. Oh, I hit 800.
Oh, I saw it,
Yeah.
I saw it.
Yeah. I did it. Sam, you lose. Mr. Ferrara, you lose. Let's look at this cloud data history right now. Cloud data history. Yeah. The coding turtle set it at 7:07,
You
and I
got
set it at
exactly what you
8:07.
want.
Yeah. There you go. That's Andrew Weir winning at these games. Your host, Andrew Weir, aka your host. Yeah, there you go. Well, I did it, but the episode's not over because I gotta go in brackets. So, here we go. Yeah, thank you for all you that believed in me. All right,
I wonder
here we
what would
go.
happen if you turned on turbo mode.
That's,
God.
Oh no, I can't even
Oh,
think,
you
and
die
I know.
instantly.
Is that what
Yeah,
happened?
you die.
Oh, okay. I'm not even gonna try it.
Oh God, I hate this.
Okay, let's go. So here's the In Brackets website, everyone. Isn't it a great website? It really is a great website, you know? I kind of stole the design from Kidoyo, but it's kind of funny
Wait
because
a
I did a
minute.
bad job.
Steven, you're a genius.
What?
So if you
Turning
get
on
lucky
turbo mode?
enough, you can. If you just spam space, you're pretty much in the air the entire time.
Wait, really?
Oh,
Wait.
Yes.
I gotta see this. Hold on. Where's
You just have to
the?
get
Because-
lucky at the start.
Wait, is that how you can beat the high score?
I think that's how you can do it.
Wait, so if you just turn on turbo mode.
You have to get lucky at the start that you don't hit into one.
Oh yeah, wait, hold on. Oh, I am doing it.
I got 750 and I died.
Oh, but wait,
Yeah.
hold on. Interesting. So yeah, I mean, if you just hold spam
Ooh.
space.
Wait, does clicking work
Oh.
for jumping? 'Cause
Yeah,
was
you
just an
gotta-
auto-clicker.
No, it doesn't. I don't think. Well, it is. It might be a strat, but it's not working too well for me. Oh yeah.
I'm having tough luck with dodging the cacti.
Yeah,
same.
you know, it was a good try, but I don't think it really helps that much. All right, let's go back to N-Bracket's website while I adore my work. Yeah, this is the N-Bracket site. You got the active tab, the finish tab, but the most important tab for today is settings. When you click on dark mode, no, I don't want to do it to myself, but you all should try to click on dark mode because it's a really cool mode, and settings is off center. Just don't look at that. Oh, this is another really cool page. Please try to enter the admin password. Melora hacked our page. No, Miniola hacked this page one time, and then I made it really hack-proof. But the most exciting part today is when we go to the voting page, because this is where it all happens. So as you can see here, you got the bracket all set up. We got blown back, skipping straight to the second round. Then apple falling out of tree, fall back, don't fall, trick or treat animation, a day in the life. Oh, I'm pretty sure that got cut off. Let's not talk about that. Monday Night Football, baby, let's go, and the fall adventure. All right, so I'm not gonna play all of these right now. I'm just kind of go over them briefly. So we got apple falling out of tree. This is a sprite editor animation. Pretty cool. We have had sprite editors win in the past. Steven's a little angry from that. Steven, didn't you almost win one time and then a sprite editor beat you? Steven? Steven, you there?
I exploded.
Oh, Steven, didn't you lose to a sprite editor one time?
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's the closest I ever got to winning.
It's so sad. Not for Steven. I mean, I guess the sprite editor was just really bad. Well, like, sad for Steven, not, like, sad that Steven's... You get what I meant. Yeah, no, I just meant that, you know, the sprite editor must have been really good. I don't even remember it. Yeah, maybe I'll take a look back at it one of these days. You can actually... Wait, I'm showing off the features of the website. You can click on the Finish tab, and then find where it is. I believe it was School is Cool, and then click View Winning Project. Here it is.
No,
Look at this.
Don't show me
Don't show... Oh, no, Steven's
my
melting.
failure.
Steven's melting. I mean, it was cool.
The Witch of the West?
Yeah, really, Steven's melting. Yeah, there you go. This was the sprite editor. I mainly did that to show off the really cool feature. Alright, here we go. Back to the voting page. I haven't voted yet, to be honest, and I am allowed to vote. I'm also allowed to compete and win. Yeah, I'm allowed to win, but I always...
Wow.
The votes.
Wait, Andrew, breaking news.
What?
I got a comment on Classroom, and Logan beat your high score by getting like 11,100.
What? What?
Wow.
Hold on. I just beat Andrew's high score. It makes me angry.
1171.
Wow. Never thought this day would come. Actually, I pretty much did, but at least I got it first. Let's see. Where can I look at the cloud data history? Steven, how did you get 4,000?
Oh my
I have
god.
a secret trick up my sleeve.
Steven got
is it
4,000?
It has to be turbo.
It has to be. He must have. How did you do it?
A simple
Ow.
magic trick.
Oh, Steven, I know
It
you
was
did.
the same glitch in the
Yeah, I just did
the Flappy Bird.
I just did it. Yeah.
Wait, how did you? Wait,
We're
what?
not telling. We're not telling him, right?
Wait,
We can tell him later.
Okay.
But this
Oh yeah, I'm
this
doing it right
information is
now.
same
disclosed
glitch
currently.
in for Rappy Bird.
I'm doing it right now.
So you glitched into the ceiling somehow. But how?
No. Well, kind of. It's the same.
It's similar.
You
to
do
that.
it the same way.
Mr.
You
Ferrara's
hold?
jumping sprite is not the best. Let's just say that.
Oh, can you just hold forever, basically? No. Jumping sprite is not the best. I don't get it.
Wait, did I say sprite? I meant script.
Oh. So basically this jumping script is bad.
Yes, it's the very basic
Lucky.
one.
Yeah, funky. Yeah, I
Oh,
don't
this
know
is
how
Zoom.
how did you do that? I'm trying to figure that. I don't know. I mean, you two are the hatch people, but if you both figured it out, then it must not be that difficult. Because,
Wow. Really?
well, no, not like that. I meant like, I meant like, oh, I did it. Wait, no, I did something like it. That wasn't it, but I did something like it. Oh yeah, I'm just forever doing. I think it's just because I broke my spacebar for a second there, but I don't know. Okay, well, I'll have to come back to this and figure it out, but yeah, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, I don't know how that works. All right. Anyway, back on to in brackets. Yeah, so this is the bracket. You all can go and vote right now if you want to. I'll send you all a link in the chat. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, let's see. What emoji am I gonna spam now? I'm doing the 100. I'm doing the 100. I didn't get 100 on my test. That's because I didn't take any tests. I always get
I
100
actually
on
got
my test.
a 99.9.
I have to inform you that is not good enough. Sadly, got it, but
But rounding up exists, Weir.
I really want to get this, but I don't know. So his jumping script isn't good. What does that mean?
Why
It's
are you
just
still
that it
trying to figure
breaks?
this out?
Because I want to get the high score. Wait, so it just breaks somehow?
Yes.
Huh. Well, yeah, I'm still not gonna get it. Well, thank you all for watching. Okay, I'm too devoted. Well, thank you all for watching. Tomorrow is sadly Friday the 13th. I wish
no.
you all good luck and to not die. Yeah, so tune in tomorrow, 4:30 Eastern every day. Of course, October 16th is TSARP's birthday. Stay tuned for all the epic stuff next week. Tomorrow is TSARP birthday episode eve. Basically,
Episode
it's
eve.
not the day eve, because that would be Sunday, but it's the episode eve, the episode before. Tomorrow is TSARP's birthday eve episode. No, TSARP's birthday episode eve, and we will all see you there tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.